Waves are calling in the silence, shadows drifting through the blue. Every dream a hidden island, every path returns to you. She was tracing lines of reason on the shores of what is real. You were sailing endless oceans where the unseen truths reveal. Sailing through silent dreams where nothing's ever what it seems. Every wave a whispered sign, every soul a sacred line. Sailing through silent dreams, in between the worlds unseen. When the mind and spirit align, we transcend the edge of time. Dancing on the water, silver echoes in the night. Every feeling grows much deeper, far beyond the edge of sight. When the logic starts to soften and the soul begins to rise, two dimensions melt together in the truth behind the sky. No more borders, no more pain, only love beyond the brain. In the silence we become more than many, more than one. Sailing through silent dreams where the universe redeems. Every heart that dares to see what we are and what we'll be.